Welcome to CEO Mindset YT. Today, we're diving into the strategies the wealthy use to multiply their money and build income streams. If you are in your 30s or 40s and still chasing quick cash, it's time for a mindset shift. There are 3 levels of money. It's time you start playing at the highest one. Level 1, making money. Everyone can do this. You work hard, maybe you've got a side hustle, and you bring in income. Level 2, keeping money. This is where most people get stuck. They spend everything they earn, trying to keep up with the latest trends and flexing on social media. But the truth is, real wealth isn't about showing off. Level 3, multiplying money. This is where the wealthy thrive. They don't just earn, they invest into cash-flowing assets like real estate, dividend stocks, and businesses. The wealthy focus on building income streams that grow while they sleep. That's true financial freedom. Click the link in my bio. You'll get access to free stock picks and tools to build your portfolio. It's everything you need to stop chasing quick cash and start building real wealth. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.